The exceptional thing in all of this is not is exactly the opposite of what the Russian propaganda is saying, namely that right-wing extremism is a major problem in Ukraine. Ukraine is one of the few countries in Europe where the far right is not a major problem, but is a marginal force that had only temporarily representation, significant representation in the parliament, but otherwise is largely a force on the street and in civil society, partly in intellectual life, but not so much in actual party political life and parliamentary life, where the party, where one of these parties, the already mentioned Всеукраїнське об'єднання Свобода here, with the abbreviation WOS, the Freedom Party, the All Ukrainian Party Freedom, got in 2012 10.44%, and those passed the 5% barrier that was then valid in Ukraine, and got for 2 years affection in the Verkhovna Rada, in the Supreme Council, the Ukrainian single chamber parliament, national parliament. So the overall picture that one can see here is such that the far right was not able to get any significant support, with the partial exception of 2012, and I will speak about this particular parliamentary election, and that it usually remained at least below the 5% barrier, or even in its support, in most cases, actually even below 2%.